Yo, hello everyone. Are you looking for a reliable and efficient grocery delivery service? In this video, I will show you how to start using Shipt, a popular grocery delivery app from signing up to placing your first order and tracking deliveries. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So here we go guys. Now I have launched Shipt official website, and if you don't know, Shipt is only in the US, so you can't actually use it or open even the location or the website itself unless you are on the US. For me, I'm using a VPN to actually get the access to this website. Now after you create your account and you verify it with a real US number, the next thing to do is to choose what are you looking for. So basically, for example, here there is stores near you as I put my location. So here they are the locations that I have written, and this is like the stores that are nearby me. You can click here to view all. So this is the location that I can actually buy from. There is First Team, Hy-Vee, Target, Big Lots, Walgreens, 7-Eleven, Petco, CVS, GNC, and PetSmart. Now, let's say, for example, you want to go and order from here from any one of these. First of all, if you want, for example, for Target, you will find that in-store prices. So the prices that are on Target products, they are going to be the same that you will find on the store itself. So there will be no difference. But on the others that don't have this description below them, that means that the prices might be higher or lower depending on the partnership and the percentage that they are taking from them. So let's go for example for Target and let's try to order something from them. Now this is the page of Target and I have opened it successfully. Here there is some deals that you can get from it. For example, you can get this for $5 off, this one for $5 off, this one like collection and much more. Here as well, you can get some good decent amount of deals that will be good for you as well. So some of them are only in the website. They are not really in the target. If you want to target and you ask them if there is any like buy five and get $3 off, that will not be the case. So it is completely dependent on the website itself. Now let's try to order something. For example, I'm going to get this pack of Doritos and here we go. Let's go and order something else. For example, I want 2 pound or 2 lb of strawberries. Here I'm going to add one extra avocado and one pack of water. So let's add, for example, one pack of Diet Pepsi. What else? So there is everything that you might find in the actual Target. You will find it here. This is some exclusive saving pack. So they have here some stuff that you might be interested in, you might not, and it is completely up to you to get. So for example here you will have $3 off 25. So for example you bought round one and the total of your cart is above 25, you will get $3 off, and the same goes for all of these kind of products. So if you bought one of these, you will get $3 off your total of carts. Now this is the cart that I have. So this one is for Doritos. These are the strawberries. This is the avocado, and this is like the Listerine. Now, as you might see, spend 90.71 more to get three of cart checkout, as you may see. So here I have to add the items that have the same category as this Listerine antiseptic, and I will have like $3 of the amount. So now I have to spend 20 more to get the $3 off. So even though I have here 28, but they are not of the same category that I have here. So this one is an only category that accept the $3 off. In the other side here, if I can, like I ordered 5 Doritos, I will have one bag for free. So here you can even add some notes or backup. For example, here, add the notes, and here make sure they are fresh, and your choice in case this item is out of stock. Here get a backup item. For example, we are going to get Anything similar to strawberries, you can get, for example, this bag or this bag. So it depends. You can even add multiple kind of backup options. So it's not up to one. It can be up to the so many kind of backup items. And the best thing is you can leave a description or like a note for the store, so they know what kind of strawberries you want. Maybe they know what kind of Doritos you'd like, what type of it, not the nacho cheese chips. You want another type that you couldn't find on Shipt website. So this is pretty insane and good to help you find your correct and order the correct product that you want. Now, in case you are looking for deals, I will show you where to get them. You can go to deals from here, and remember, this is all in Target. So the same goes for any other store. You will find all of these kind of deals, kind of discount, everything you will find it here. So here they are, the deals that you have, new deals this week. It will be refreshing every week. Every week it has its own deals. And of course, if you have Shift Plus account, you will have even more insane deals. So if you'd like to get it, you can get it for free for about 14 days free trial. After that, you will have to pay. For example, here you will get 5 of 25. So if you ordered the same thing, for example, here I'm going to order around okay, let's go for 10. So here we go. I want to carts. So here we go, shop, applied at checkout. So now, as you can see, if I clicked here and I remove this, I removed everything. So we don't need anything of these. Here we go. And yeah, we need one more item, to be honest. This is so bad. We need one more item. We didn't reach 25, so I'm going to add another quantity. So let's make it 11. Here we go. Let's keep it that way. So now, if not, -5 will be applied at the checkout. So instead of paying 27, I will be paying 27 minus 5, which is 23, which is a pretty decent amount of money to save in case, or I mean 22, I guess. So it is a pretty decent amount to save. Instead of paying like $5 more, you will have to you will save around $5, and you can buy, for example, some sauce with your Pringles, anything else that you think of, which is a pretty good like feature. And yeah, the next thing to do is continue. Make sure that if you'd like to get this premium version, which is that I talk about, you'll get zero delivery fee, shopping with a personal touch, exclusive deals, and 24/7 customer support. It will cost you around $10 per month or 99 per year. So if you think that you can get it, go for it. If not, you can just continue with $10 single delivery. So it will cost you here $10 per delivery. Here, as you can see, this is the promotion. This is the tip that you are going to give. So the tip is actually forced on you. You can't really change it. The minimum amount is 5, but you can make it up to whatever you'd like, 10, 15, or other. And finally, make sure to add a contact number, choose your payment method, and click on place order. And just like that, you have finally ordered in your product or your order from Shipt. So that was it for today's video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.